I bet you didn't know meal prep could be this easy. Let's dive right in. Welcome to day 3 of our meal prep series. Today, we're tackling the basics. First up, chopping veggies. Grab your favorites. Think colorful peppers, crunchy carrots, and fresh greens. Dice, slice, and store them in airtight containers. Boom! Half the battle won. Next, let's talk proteins. Chicken, tofu, or beans, whatever you fancy. Cook them up in batches. Season well and let them cool before storing. Pro tip: use different herbs to keep things exciting. Finally, assemble your meals. Mix and match your prepped ingredients. Add some grains like quinoa or rice. And voila! You've got a week's worth of delicious, healthy meals ready to go. Happy prepping, home cooks! You've got this.